Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today I am unboxing the Philips Hue Light Strip Plus. This is just a light strip that I'm intending to use behind that shelf to give it a little bit of a glow and a little bit of color in the background. So we'll unbox it, have a look what's inside, and then I'll set it up and we'll see what it looks like. So let's do that now. Alright, so here we are. This is the box and that's the back of it. Some specs, and we'll just get it opened up. So inside's pretty simple, just the actual light strip. I'll give you a bit of a close-up of that one. And there we go. And then we've got, what have we got here? Let's have a look. Our different power converters. And the actual head of the power pack. Actually, I'm just saying we do need that. I thought it was set up for the Australian one already. There it is there. So there's various ones there. And some of the instructions. So I'll just turn off the camera, have a quick look at this, and then we'll get to the setup. Alright, so I've had a quick look at the instructions. I thought I actually might put them up on screen so that if anyone needs to look at them or wants to know anything extra, you can see. There's only a couple of pages, so I'll just flick through them quickly. Let's see. It's a little bit hard to understand in parts, but I think basically it's pretty simple to put together. I'm just not sure about the cutting and trimming of it. There are some, let me just grab the stuff. So basically the way it works is there's one big long long LED strip. It's got a little end like that on it. I'm just getting focus on the camera. And then that lead runs into here. And on that side there's a little connector which you plug in this power pack into. So the power pack also can come off so that you can thread it behind a shelf if need be, and then the other end just goes into this part, and then we're set to go. Now I'll show you a close-up of this. I'm not sure if it'll work out. Okay, so here's the light strip, and if we go along you can see that just in the middle of the screen there is some scissor marks here, so I'm assuming that's where you can cut them, cut this strip, but you can only cut it in certain parts. And also the manual talks about not making the strip any longer than 10 meters, so this is 2 meters. So I think what you can do is either shorten it, from what I understand, or lengthen it. I did see when I was in the shops, I saw a little connector thing, so I think you can just connect these into, like, you know, sort of an extender or whatever. And it's not focusing very well, but yeah. So at the end there's just little like holes that I think can connect into a second one and a third one, whatever. I guess you can have 5 of them. But my shelf is, I think, around 1.8 meters, so this should be pretty good. So what I've decided to do is I'm going to just put blue tack at the back of this, even though this comes with a strip that you just peel off and stick. This little power pack also comes with the little stickers there, but I'm just going to try it out because I'm not sure if I'll leave it on that shelf, and we'll see what it looks like. So let me go up there and fiddle with it a little bit, and then you can see what it looks like on. Alright, so the way it's set up is just the power point, and then up here that follows through to the power pack, and then that strip starts. It's actually hanging off a little bit here, and then I've just put blue tack along the bottom there just to stick it on. Let's have a look at the top. Maybe it's a little bit easier to see there, so I've just got it stuck on like that along the edge there. But yes, obviously it comes with this tape here, so just give you a bit of a close-up. So it's got the 3M tape at the back, so you would normally just stick it down, but I just wasn't sure, as I said. So yeah, that's the lights, and now we'll pop them on. Okay, so we'll get the lights on now. What I'm using is the Hue app by Philips, and what we do here is just slide this slider over and the lights will turn on. So there they go in the background. And then we can change the color of the lights here as well. So if I just move my slider along, we can make them yellow or orange, or down to the blue, or wherever you want. And you can also change the intensity of the lights. So by sliding that, they can be as dim as that, which is basically off, and as bright as that. I think they're rated at 1600 lumens from memory. I think that was on the box. So yeah, that's the lights. We'll just turn them down a little bit because they're a bit bright. I think they're quite good. I wouldn't mind if they were a bit more like a halo rather than the dots. I can still see the dots in the background. I'll just pop the, so you see what I mean? Once I get the focus there, you can still sort of see that they're individual lights rather than sort of like one light strip, but maybe I just need to move them further away or something like that. So I'll play around with that. But yeah, that's sort of the light strip in a nutshell. If you enjoyed the video, give a thumbs up. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments. I usually answer every comment that comes through. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe if you want to see more from me. I do all sorts of different videos. Yeah, if you enjoy my content, just hit the subscribe button. See you soon. Bye.